Hey guys, it's Onyii. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time. I had to take a break, okay? I took a really long break though. A lot of things were happening and I had to set my priorities. It's just that life was life in me, so I was like, you know what, YouTube will always be there, okay? So I had to take care of the other things that were, happening in my life, and now we are back and better. And I'm here to share with you guys that your girl is pregnant, okay? I am pregnant too. So yeah, I'm pregnant. It feels so good to say that out loud. It feels really good. You know how they say God makes everything beautiful in his own time. Do not lose faith. Keep talking to God. Like if there's something you're asking God for, just keep talking to him. One thing I've learned recently is that God is always listening to us. Like God always listens. He might not do that thing you want him to do immediately because he knows it's not yet time for you to, get that thing in your life. But he has the best timing. God's timing is always the best. This baby in my womb is my testimony that God is always listening to our prayers. We just have to, trust his timing and believe in him. Like you have to be convinced in your heart that there is actually a God, like there is actually God in heaven, and that he actually cares about you. And I'm just really grateful that I get to experience motherhood. It has been a beautiful journey. Well, it has its own ups and downs, but I wouldn't have it any other way. And I pray for all trying to conceive moms, like people that have been waiting on God for their own blessing. I pray that God blesses you with your own testimony sooner than you expected, okay? That is my prayer for you. If you're trying to conceive, don't lose faith. So back to our video. Like you guys get ready for my pregnancy series. Like I've been filming a lot. I had to document it. I'm doing it for myself because this motherhood journey is not a small something, okay? It's not a small feat. Like and you guys know this is my first time. I've never given birth to anybody. I'm like the whole thing is just a learning curve. We just got started. This is going to be my first child and all that, so I try to document as much as I can. So get ready for our pregnancy series. If you're here to subscribe, just click the subscribe button and click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you know whenever I post on this channel, okay? You can follow me on my Instagram at _Onyii. That's what has been going on. Your girl is about to be a mommy, and I'm so grateful for everything. To be honest, I'm really grateful for everything. I'm really grateful for my journey. I am really grateful for this channel. Oh my God, I took a break for 1 whole year, and before I took a break, I was a little over 1,000 subscribers. But you guys, as I took this break, I got monetized, and we've grown to almost 5,000. Like we're at, I think, 1,700 subscribers right now. And I'm really grateful that we are here and we are ready to pick up from where we left. And yeah, thank you guys so much for always supporting me. Thank you guys so much. Like this means a lot to me. God has been really faithful, and yeah, that is all for this video. Stay tuned. In my next video, I'll tell you guys how we found out that I am pregnant. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.